good afternoon to you, dear inspection committee members, respected ma'am Sunita Tanwar and respected sir Lagari Singh. We are taking the videograph of our school and the playground. Dear inspection committee, we are having the total area, the whole school total area in square meter 20,241. And out of this 20,241 square meters, we have built two buildings. One is the main building. Another one is the KG block building. So these two buildings occupy 8,775 square meters, and the area of playground in square meter 8,093 square meter. So we have got 5 acres of land, compound wall, and out of this 5 acres of the compound wall, the two building or main building occupies. One main building and another one is for the kindergarten and for the primary section. Now the videographer is covering our playground facility separately for boys and girls, and the PT teachers will explain about the ground.
Good morning, sir. We have separate playgrounds for boys and girls. We have football field, volleyball court, coco field, kabaddi court for boys, and girls volleyball, coco, kabaddi. We have separate playground for each, for boys, girls, and even for kids. Thank you.
Respected inspection committee, I am just taking to you the parking area of our school. So we give the provision for our teachers and for the parents and for the students. This is our parking area. Mainly the parents who come and drop in all the children. Some of them they require the parking area, and for them we have allotted this parking area. Most of them they bring the children by their car, by two-wheelers. They drop them. They come inside our campus, they drop them, and then they go back. This is our school assembly area. We have 3 assemblies simultaneously, is being held. The kindergarten, they will have separate, place, and the primary section, they are having, separate assembly hall. And where we are exactly, we are focusing, is the secondary section, that is grade 6 to grade 10. So they used to gather together in front of the stage, and we have the assembly only for the secondary. This is our multi-purpose hall wherein we gather together all the children for the program, for the cultural events, and for the parents and teachers association meeting, and for the professional development of our teachers. We gather together here. Along with this, every day the primary section assembly also is held here. Grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children, they gather together with the help of the primary supervisors and with the help of the primary teachers. Everyday assembly is held here for our primary children. This is our school clinic. We are having the health station here. So whenever children feel sick, or any vomiting, headache cases, or any food poison, anything, we bring them over here, and okay, the students okay get treated here. We have got okay the first aid kit here, and all the primary tablets and primary medicines okay we are having. So we have got okay one cot and toilet facility, and for other children okay to be seated over here, we put the chair. So this is our school health or okay wellness center, and okay our school clinic. This is our counselor's room or wellness room, okay, also we can call it. We have two counselors. Since we are having the co-ed education, one counselor for the girls, the lady will come, and another counselor is a gent for okay, all the boys students. So two counselors, alternative days okay, they come to our school. They are outsourced, and okay, we have made an agreement between the school and the counseling center. We have made okay, an agreement, and with the agreement, these two people they come and give the counseling section for our students, especially for grade 8, 9, 10, the senior students. So they are giving the counseling, and each time academic counseling, career guidance, and for okay, personal counseling when we give, we keep the file keeping there in the counseling case studies. So all the file keepings okay, are given, especially for grade 9 and 10. We are having okay, this special counseling since they are grown up boys and girls. Life education also very much okay, given the emphasis. This is our music room. We give the facility for the students to learn the harmonium, tabla, and the guitar. And there is also jazz, drums kit. The music masters they are coming, and we give okay the activity period. Twice in a week we give the activity period, and in that activity period, music okay is one of our activities. They come and play the harmonium with the help of the master instructors, and they play the guitar too. And okay, we have got the Hindustani music, the tablaist, the tabla okay instruction master comes and gives the instruction okay for the students. So we have got okay, around 20 harmoniums, and in the 20 harmoniums of the children okay, our school, they play during the assembly time, and during okay, the cultural program time okay, also they play. And the guitar also, there are okay, few students who have picked up the guitar. And we gave the one music period for the children to listen to the music, and to get okay, relaxed okay, themselves. They listen to the music and they get relaxed. So we have also put okay, a tape recorder just to listen to the music. Some students will bring them here for listening. This is our math lab. We have all the facilities for a math lab. So the student tables are there. So students, okay, they do the problem solving, or the UCMOS group also. So they take okay 5 in a group, and then they discuss and then solve the mathematical problem. And we have got the provisions for the math lab, and we have the building blocks, cube pattern box we have, round and roll we have, twist me in and out. That's also kind of a problem solving activity we are giving. Then we have the fraction box, mini bricks, geometric pin board. We have attribute blocks, and we have the abacus, mental arithmetic lessons. And okay, it is one of the 21st century skills for mathematics. We are okay also training for abacus. Numbers and counters are there. We have got the cube box, and we have modeling clay and balancing blocks. In this cupboard we have spiked abacus, multiplication table set, fraction rings, fraction square, links, We have stick and balls 3D. Sorting rings we have. Attribute blocks. Area of a parallelogram. Diagram set we have. 2 colored counters. Area of A circle kit we have. Build-up brackets we have. Transparent lit up cube. Basic solid. 24-hour clock. Counting sticks. We do have pattern block. Measuring breaker. Folding time ruler. Primary pan balance and number balance we are having. The arithmetics we have kept it okay in the cupboard. We have Kupsinder rods, area of A rhombus, and tower of Brahma, reflection mirror we have. Algebra tiles, pendomino, thin square tiles, angles, x to y coordinate pegboard. We have a probability kit, sum of angles in a triangle, area of a triangle, an area of triangle, fraction wall we have. Algebraic identity, a square minus b square, we have the concept. Pythagoras theorem, algebraic identity. Connecting blocks, sum of angles in a quadrilateral, area of trapezium, area of rhombus, spinner wheel, mystery bags, wooden shapes, and we have also the clock, algebraic identity, a plus b plus c the whole square, fraction circle, integers table, pegboard, rod sorting board, construction set, geometry box, place value kit. And there are also other mathematical things okay, for the pertaining math lab. We have kept it okay in this cupboard. So we are having okay, the well-established math activities for our students for the formation of math. This is our chemistry lab for the senior secondary section. This chemistry lab 2 has got the provision of lecture cum lab. That is, the instruction of the first will be given here. The protocol for the practical for chemistry. Students will be able to sit over here after getting the instruction from the chemistry teacher, and then they will get into the tables either for the volumetry analysis or for the salt analysis. And we have got all the provisions for the chemistry lab. Okay, we have the fire extinguisher, and okay, it is updated. The firefighting people, okay, they have come and given the demo, and our teachers also are given the training for the fire safety. So they know in case of any fire incident, the teachers are okay, able to put off the fire through the fire extinguisher. And we have okay, the gas line for the Bunsen burner, and the cylinder is kept outside for the safety sake. And we have got okay, the cupboards for the reagent bottles, and all the reagent bottles okay, they are kept okay, inside the store. And this lab we have got we constructed the store for chemistry. And in the store there are many things, and one of our PG chemistry teacher is there to explain about the stock present okay, in the chemistry storeroom.
Respected committee members of the inspection team, I am very happy to explain you about the stock present in the chemistry lab. We have physical balance, wash bottles, porcelain dish, reagent bottles, wire gauge, beakers, spatula, test tube holders, trays, burette stand, Bunsen burners and tripod stand. And in this cabin we have burette stand, funnels, spirit lamp, conical flask, burettes and pipettes, watch glass, litmus papers. We have both blue litmus and red litmus and filter papers. And here we have arranged all the reagents. I will explain you about the reagents one by one. We have sodium carbonate, sulfur powder, aluminium sulfate, cupric sulfate, sodium hydroxide pellets, sodium sulfate, zinc metal, iron metal fillings, barium chloride which is a colored salt, and we have copper sulfate, starch solubles, sodium hydroxide flakes, zinc sulfate, ferrous sulfate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, copper sulfate solution, calcium hydroxide, sodium carbonate powder, aluminium chloride, cupric sulfate, barium chloride, and we have solutions like iodine solution, ferrous sulfate solution, glycerol, hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, ammonium solution, sulfuric acid, carbon disulfide, methyl blue and saffron solution. And here we have arranged the test tube and test tube holders and measuring jars. Thank you. So we have maintained the stock register for the stocks which we have kept in our lab, and this is the stock register. And all the things which we have got has been entered in this register page by page with the alphabetical order.
For the Bunsen burner, we have the gas cylinder outside with the well protected iron cage. So the gas is outside, and from this gas, through the tube, iron tube, the gas is going to the Bunsen burner. This is our physics lab, a newly constructed lab for the senior secondary, and it is constructed in such a way, it is a lab in classroom. First our students, they come here for lecturing or to take the protocol for the practicals. After getting the instructions from our physics teacher, they get into the tables for practicals. And we are going to make a store behind this lab. The cupboards are kept over here. So since it's a newly constructed lab, we will be putting the partition for the storeroom, and our physics teacher, PG teachers are there, and they will be explaining the things present in the cupboard.
Good afternoon. I am very glad to present what are the stocks available in the physics lab. And here I have the simple pendulum stand.
And weapons.
We have drawing boards to conduct refractive index of glass slab experiment. And then specific resistance wire, plug key, and then logic gates connecting keys, simple pendulum stands, weighing machine, Lagrange model of a Lagrange cell, and here we have measuring jaws and the sound experiment tubes, battery eliminators, ammeters, and we have nichrome wire, screw gauge, magnets, vernier calipers, plane mirrors, lenses, prisms, and here I have a lens mounting stand, and here gold leaf electroscope experiment, meter scales and half meter scales, and these are the screens, and this is the lens stand, measuring jaws and tuning fork, hammer, plane mirror, overflow jar, and this is the physical balance. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. So I'm very happy to show you the different instruments what we have in the physics lab. So first we have potentiometer bridge here and meter bridge, and to measure the voltmeter and the meters we have here, and rheostats and stopwatches, and here we have Zender diodes, and later on here tangent galvanometers, and then transistors, even telescope we have here, and the weighing scales we have here, and even the meter bridges we have here, and here we have two setups of spectrometers.
This is our biology lab. We have inspection cum lab. The students come here for the inspection. They take the protocol for the practicals. They sit over here, get the protocol for the practical, and then they get into the tables for the dissection or for the biology practicals. And this is actually newly constructed lab for the sake of the senior secondary. We had one composite lab for the secondary section, but since we are requesting the CBSE for senior secondary accreditation, we have separately created the lab, biology lab. And our biology teachers are the PE teachers, and they will be explaining about the stock and what other things are there. And we are planning to make this one as a store. We'll put a partition since it's a newly constructed lab for the senior secondary, and our teachers, biology teachers, will explain about the stock register and the things which are present in the cupboard.
We are having a microscope.
Come here, you can remove the mask.
Microscopes. It's a compound microscope and dissection microscopes, and slides. We are having a permanent slide, and also the apparatus which are needed for the experiments.
The first truck contain models, so many models is there: ear, brain, eye, heart, and the lungs, pancreas, liver, so many things is there. And second truck is a specimen. These are all biological specimen is there: crab, scorpion, earthworm, starfish, so many things are there. And third rack also some specimen is there: fern, it is related to botany. And then fourth rack is some chemicals are arranged in this place, and then conical flask and everything is there in the apparatus lab. This is our biology lab, and then all the things are there. And then move on to the model. It's a human physics, human digestion, and then lungs, and then everything is there.
We have the smart board for our children for instructing the biological things or biological practicals. So we have the smart board projector, and we have one system, computer system also, for them to explain about the practicals on biology. This is our computer lab, and we are planning to give this computer lab for our senior secondary section. We have around 40 computers over here, and we have the projector for explanation facility. And this one being the lab for senior secondary, we will be making a partition. We will be making a partition for the sake of the practical examination, board practical examination. And since the senior secondary is going to come over here by our request to CBSE, and this one we plan to give for the senior secondary section as a main lab, computer lab. And we have the UPS system behind, and the computer lab assistant also, sir, along with the instructor, computer science instructor. And we have got also one cabinet for storage. Any computer is under repair, we used to keep it there, okay, in the store. And we have the well-established UPS system and with the proper ventilation. This is our UPS system. And we have the split AC for cooling, okay, the UPS. It is always on. And we have the firewall system in order to control the web things, okay, for our children. Firewall system, okay, established. And okay, the network cabling also established in all the classrooms. So from here only all the networking connection goes to all the classrooms. So this lab, okay, we are giving for the senior secondary for grade 11 and 12. Of course, okay, we will be making the partition for the practical examination. This is our school library. We have the general section and the reference section. The students are able to borrow books and they are able to return it. All the books are computerized. And we have a qualified librarian. And this is the teachers section. The teachers, okay, separately come and take the reference books, okay, and then the refer. This is, okay, our magazine section, magazines and periodicals. And we have the reference and the general sections over here. And we have the tables, 5 tables for the children. Separately this side for the girls and the other side for the boys. We have the reference sections, all the storybooks, social science. And we too have the subject books for our senior secondary for grade 11 and 12. And we have upgraded, okay, every year we allot one particular budget for library. So with that money, every day, every year we update, okay, our library. And we are having around 8,000 books. 8,000 books, okay, we are having. And it is computerized. And this is, okay, our reference sections. For the senior secondary, we are also buying the subject books. So we are planning to have science stream and the commerce stream. Math, physics, chemistry, okay, and biology. We give us a first group, and then the computer science, and then, okay, we have also the business studies. Business studies, okay, with a lot of options. Entrepreneurship, with the mathematics and okay the economics okay, also. So we have the math stream, science stream, and the regular okay commerce stream okay we are having. So we are buying okay the books for our senior secondary grade 11. We have Tamil section, we have Hindi, and we have the English section. For mathematics, okay, we are having okay, books for mathematics, and for the general knowledge also, okay, we are having. And for the science streams, we are having okay the physics, chemistry, okay, and biology, pure science, natural sciences. And we too have for the business studies and the social studies, okay, we are having the books for the commerce, economics and accountancy. And for the computer science, we have the computer science okay books. And furthermore, okay, we will be buying when the CBSE okay grants permission okay for the 11th grade 11 students. We have the yearbooks, general knowledge, for the quiz and for the career guidance. These are all okay, our reference sections. We have the encyclopedia for the science. And recently in the SMC meeting, okay, we are also planning to have some e-library resources. Through the net facilities, we are able to buy books and cater to the needs of our children. E-books facility. We have our qualified librarian, Ma'am Krishnaveni, and she will be able to explain okay, the system of borrowing books.
Good evening, I am Krishnaveni. I am a librarian. I completed Master of Library and Information Science. Now I explain all the register here. This is the library accession register. Here I entered all the books. The title of the book, author name and the publisher name, and give the call number for each books. And then next one, already we followed the library card for students, but now we computerized and scanner. We have the scanner also. For teachers, we maintaining the books issue and receipt register. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
This is called the universal access, and this is the universal. These two are helping the black men.
We are using this in mass. The science is in the right. There is no water nowadays. So the scientists prove that there is water in the mass. So we are using this machine to compute that there is a water in the mass.
This is our indoor game activity center as well as gymnasium. During the rainy season, we bring the students here for the indoor games. So we have got the table tennis, and we have the carom for the girls. We have the skipping, and along with that, we have also the exercises, physical exercises. So we bring them over here during the rainy season, and we give them the form of exercises, and we conduct also the yoga. Yoga master is coming, and then is giving exercises, and we have other gymnasium practice also. So this hall we use it only during the rainy season, and when it is very hot, the climate is not favorable for children to play. So we bring them here for indoor activity, and sometimes we use this one also as a gymnasium. Now I am going to explain about the classrooms, the extra or the additional classrooms for the senior secondary section. We have got around 6 to 7 classrooms free. So this is a senior secondary classroom 1. It is purely allotted for the grade 11 with the projector and the whiteboard facility, and we do have the speaker system for the teaching and learning, better teaching and learning. We have additional classroom number 5 for senior secondary. We have the CPU, and we have a projector and the whiteboard. Teachers also bring the laptop with the USB. They facilitate the teaching and learning. We do have the multimedia speaker. Additional classroom number 6 for senior secondary. For senior secondary, classroom number 2. All the classrooms have got the projector, the whiteboard, and the speaker. Additional classroom number 3 for the senior secondary section. This is the additional classroom number 4 for senior secondary. We have the projector system, and the teachers are having the laptop, and the school also has given the CPU. For each classroom, we have the CPU, and they bring the pen drive. Teachers bring the pen drive, and we have got the networking cable connection for our students. They bring the laptop, the CPU also they make use, and through the USB they give the teaching and learning. And we have the multimedia speaker too for the facilitated teaching and learning. This is the exam hall. Only for the senior secondary we are giving this provision. When we conduct the test and the periodic assessment, we are planning to have this hall as an exam hall. Other than the exam hall, other times we have the activity for the grade 11 and 12. So we plan to make this one as a multi-purpose hall for exam, for activity. This is another hall for the senior secondary. We have planned it. Maybe in the future, when we need more classrooms, we can put partition and make it to classrooms. Maybe this is after 3 or 4 years or in 5 years of time, when the number is increasing for grade 11 and 12, then we have this hall, excess hall for the purpose of the senior secondary. This is our sports room. We have got a spacious room for the sports. We have got 4 PE teachers, 2 gents teachers, 2 ladies teachers, since our school is having co-ed. And all the sports materials are categorized and kept inside the cupboard. And the PE teachers, they have kept the file keeping of the inter-school activities, intra-school, and inter-departmental matches. So all this, they have got the file keeping inside the cupboard. We have the rainwater harvest system all through the building. The rainwater is collected through the pipe. We have the fire evacuation plan. The assembly area is marked outside, and the fire engine also freely can move around the building. This is the toilet facilities for our senior boys. Separated urinals